Hello, if you are interested in consulting and freelancing in data analytics. Data analytics is a growing and exciting field that involves collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to solve business problems. As a freelance data analyst, you can work as an independent contractor for multiple clients, set your own hours, and work from anywhere you want. However, you also need to market your services, manage your projects, and handle client expectations. If you want to become a freelance data analyst, you need to have the following skills and qualifications: a strong background in data analysis, statistics, and programming. You should be proficient in tools like Excel, SQL, Python, R, Tableau, Power BI, and others that are commonly used for data manipulation, visualization, and modeling. A portfolio of data analysis projects that showcase your skills and experience. You can create your own projects using public datasets, or use projects that you have done for previous employers or clients, with their permission. You should also document your projects and explain your process, methods, and results. A website or online profile that displays your portfolio, resume, and contact information. You can use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, TopTal, or others that connect freelancers with clients. You can also create your own website using tools like Hostinger or others that simplify the process of creating websites. A network of contacts and referrals that can help you find clients and projects. You can use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or others to showcase your work, connect with other data analysts, and follow industry trends. You can also join online communities like Kaggle, Reddit, or others that offer opportunities to learn, share, and collaborate with other data enthusiasts. A business plan and strategy that outlines your services, pricing, and goals. You should decide what kind of data analysis services you want to offer, such as data cleaning, data visualization, data modeling, data storytelling, or others. You should also research the market and determine your rates, based on your skills, experience, and demand. You should also set your objectives and milestones, and track your progress and performance. These are some of the steps and tips that can help you become a successful freelance data analyst. Please note that data science is a broad field that encompasses many different types of freelance jobs. Some of the most common and in-demand ones are: data analyst. A data analyst is someone who collects, cleans, and analyzes data to provide insights and recommendations for various business problems. A data analyst should be proficient in tools like Excel, SQL, Python, R, Tableau, Power BI, and others that are commonly used for data manipulation, visualization, and modeling. Data engineer. A data engineer is someone who builds and maintains the data infrastructure and pipelines that enable data analysis and machine learning. A data engineer should be skilled in tools like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Spark, Hadoop, Kafka, and others that are used for data storage, processing, and streaming. Machine learning engineer. A machine learning engineer is someone who develops, trains, and deploys machine learning models and algorithms that can perform tasks such as classification, regression, clustering, recommendation, natural language processing, computer vision, and others. A machine learning engineer should be proficient in tools like Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, Keras, and others that are used for machine learning and deep learning. Data scientist. A data scientist is someone who combines data analysis, machine learning, and domain knowledge to create data-driven solutions and products. A data scientist should have a strong background in statistics, mathematics, programming, and problem-solving, as well as the ability to communicate and present complex data findings. These are some of the freelance jobs that you can pursue in data science. I hope you find them helpful and informative.